Hi Miss, my name is Lin Hui-Wen and we come from Group 4. The company that we select it are Toyota and Henry Davidson Company, and the SMA technique that we use it is just-in-time inventory. The reason we select for this technique is because both of the company are using this technique and it makes us easily to find the source that we want. Here is my group member who is Li Yang. Now I would like to present my part, which is Toyota Company. Kiichiro Toyota is the person who established for this company, and on 28th of August 1937, it has incorporated. After that, Toyota is the famous company in Toyota City in Japan, which is one of the Japanese multinational automotive manufacturer headquarters. Simultaneously, it is also one of the largest automobile manufacturer in the world, which can produce 10 million vehicles in 1 year. Next, we want to discuss for the part of company practice. In the company practice, there are some similarity and differences on how Toyota and Harley-Davidson use this technique to run their business. In here, the similarity for both of the company practice is total quality management, which means that they need to ensure that their product is in the high quality and also give the good service to their customer. For example, when the customer buy the product from Toyota or Harley-Davidson, they need to ensure that they have a high quality product and fast delivery service to send to their customer so that they can achieve the customer satisfaction. However, there are some differences on how both of these companies use this technique to run their business, which is firstly, for Toyota, individual car can make to order, but for Harley-Davidson, they do not have used this method. For instance, when the customer buy the product from Toyota, Toyota will just produce the product which needs by their customer, so that this can help them to save more time. Secondly is for Toyota, every component must fit correctly at the first time due to lack of alternatives, but for Harley-Davidson, they also do not use this method. For example, when Toyota produce the products, they will produce every component by themselves. In this way, this can help them to reduce the productivity, and also this can help them to save more costs. These are the three challenges that are faced by Toyota when they implement this technique. Firstly is, as their supplier, they need to go through the training and testing to make sure that the parts are in the high quality and deliver on demand. If Toyota do not provide some training and testing to their supplier, they will not know that whether their supplier can achieve to produce the high quality parts and fast delivery service or not. If their supplier cannot achieve it, this will cause Toyota to lose profit. Secondly is based on the workflow patterns. Toyota needs to train their worker in the different machine operations. Here as the trainer, they will feel hard when giving some training to the worker in the different machine operation at the same moment. Here this will cause the trainer makes the mistake easily on using the operation machine when they train their worker in the different machine operation. The third challenges is, since the assembly line had limited option for parts to use and each component needs to fix preciously, the vehicle component had to be redesigned or increased in tolerance. If Toyota do not redesign the vehicle component, this will cause most of the customers do not want to buy their product, and this will cause them to lose profit. To overcome these challenges, there are some suggestions that can use by Toyota, which is firstly, Toyota can hire the person who has experience to give their supplier some training program. In this way, this can help their supplier to gain more knowledge, and also they can know it clearly that what is their part that they need to do some improvement. Secondly is Toyota can divide their employee into group or shift their employee. For example, A trainer will train group 1 to use A operation machine, while B trainer will train group 2 to use the another operation machine. In this way, as the trainer, they can easily to train their worker. The third suggestion that can use by Toyota to overcome challenge is Toyota can cooperate with other companies such as Nissan, Honda and etc. to design the parts together. In this way, this not only can help their company to save the cost, and also if their customer vehicle component have broken, they can easily to find their parts in the other company too.
Hi Miss, I'm Li Yang. First, I would like to introduce the company of my choice, Harley-Davidson. Harley-Davidson is a motorcycle brand manufactured by Harley-Davidson Trading Company and based in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, USA. Founded in 1903, it is one of the two largest motorcycle manufacturers in the United States and one of the largest motorcycle manufacturers in the world. Next, we discuss how Harley-Davidson is using SMA techniques to help the company grow. First, we discuss the two companies' similarity. Total quality control. Total quality management is aimed at improving process. High-quality products and total quality can be achieved through employee engagement programs and consistent operator control. The difference is in developing suppliers and improving supply relationships. Supplier development is a long-term relationship between the customer and the supplier, and the supplier is part of the supply chain management. This is done by providing scheduling information about the products and involving the supplier in the design phase. This ensures timeliness and improves the quality of the product. Another important step Harley-Davidson has taken is to improve supplier relationships. Their past relationships with suppliers were not very good, leading to quality and delivery problems. Working with suppliers in various forms can improve the efficiency of the company's operations. Leveraging relationships with suppliers can achieve a company's resources and capabilities, thereby improving market effectiveness. So, what challenges did Harley-Davidson face in implementing the GIT progress? When it entered the US market in the 1960s, Harley-Davidson faced stiff competition from Japanese companies. The Japanese manufacturer was able to offer better quality bikes at a relatively low price. In response, Harley-Davidson filed lawsuits against Japanese competitors. Harley-Davidson lost the lawsuit against those companies. Then in 2007, Harley-Davidson faced pressure from the recession. Although it was still the market leader at that time, it failed to meet its sales forecast for 2017, and Harley-Davidson's financial results also declined. Harley-Davidson learned about the different process and practice of their companies by being in a losing battle with them, found out why their operating costs were 30% lower than their own and improved them in time. Here, Harley-Davidson also identified the three most important practices that made the Japanese companies' production process different from those of other companies: GIT production, employee involvement, and the use of statistical process control. Harley-Davidson began implementing all of these Japanese practices to face the competition.